After classifying our products and services, the next thing to do as an entrepreneur is to identify the methods of distribution we are going to use to distribute our products to our customers. Next we are going to discuss is about distribution. First, what is distribution? It is a movement of products and services from its source to the end user. Here we are going to focus on products for us to understand it easier. How distribution is done in the business. Products are produced in the factory, and the finished goods are taken in the warehouse in the cities. Then they are supplied to the shops or retailers wherein the consumers can go and buy from them. Once the consumer buys their product, he pays back to a retailer. Now let us understand this. When the products are produced in the factory, these are taken to the end user through some channels to reach the consumers. This is what you call the distribution system, namely, intensive, selective, and exclusive. So, what is distribution system? It is a system to carry goods from producer or manufacturer to an end user by using paths or channels. There are channels to reach the consumer through the agent, distributors, dealers, and wholesalers wherein they buy their products to the retailers and they supply to the markets, supermarkets, hypermarket, retail shop and others so that consumer can go and buy their products. What is intensive distribution? It means that a brand can be purchased to as many outlets as possible in a given geographic area. This is suitable for our daily necessity products with a high demand and high level of consumption. Examples here include basic foods such as vegetables, breads, rice, milk and soft drinks. Next channel is selective distribution system. Well, these are products or brands that can be purchased in a few outlets in a given geographic area. Here the manufacturer controls the number of outlets to make sure distribution does not occur. Examples here are car dealers such as Toyota, and other franchising business to name a few. Last channel, dot, is where a brand can be purchased to only one distributor in a geographic area, also known as exclusive distribution. Examples of these are those world-class products such as Ferrari and Rolex. These are the familiar products to name a few that seek a high prestigious image. 3 strategic distribution systems. First is the consumer distribution channel, which involves a direct link between manufacturers and customer. One example is market, where a product usually sold is directly to the consumer, and this channel is through manufacturer to consumer, just like in a direct marketing usually done by personal selling, telephone selling, and through social media or internet. The companies who are using this channel are Avon Cosmetics, Tupperware, and Amazon.com, wherein the company contacts customers directly through salespersons, mail, telephone, or internet and makes sales. The products are sent directly to customers by the manufacturers. Second option is through manufacturer to retailer, to consumer or to tier system of dealers. Retailers have grown in size. Growth in retailer size means that it has become economic for manufacturers to supply directly to retailers rather than through wholesalers. Third option is through manufacturer to wholesaler, to retailer to consumer, called as 3-tier model. For small retailers with limited order quantities, the use of wholesalers makes economic sense. Wholesalers buy in bulk from producers and sell smaller quantities to numerous retailers. But large retailers in some markets have the power to buy directly from manufacturers and thus cut out the wholesalers. Last option under this channel is through manufacturer to agent, to wholesaler, to retailer, to consumers. A company uses this channel when it enters international markets. The agent contacts wholesalers in the foreign market and receives commission on sales. Companies want to sell to larger number of customers and hence are increasingly using multiple channels to distribute their products.
Created using Powtoon.